Lately I've been absent-minded, sad combined with a lack of guidance. Young skinny fat hunchback alignment, passive aggressive or scratch for violence. Lost in my way, no way to find them. Got so much to say, but I stay in silence. I'll put the game up way past behind me. Like damn, just sign him, no Dennis rhyming. But look at all the bullshit that I'm in. I keep drinking to hide the pain that I felt. I cried away cause I'm ashamed of myself. Set fire to the rain like Adele. Smoke Mary Jane till I'm so high I can fuck around and fly this plane by myself. And if I say how I felt like David Chappelle, would it take away all my wealth? Well, shit, just 2 more days, then I'ma be off for like 2 whole days. But honest to God, if I lost my job, it put a smile on my face. And by the time I saw you, I had sobered up. Then I saw you and really sobered up. Mix of soda, coke, and rum with the smokes of like, oh no, I'm drunk. Like what the fuck? Situations there I can't duck. I try to see you, but something came up. As she walks through the rib, you like, shit, now I'm stuck. And I think the city boys were up by 1, we was hot. Then you came through to the spot. You ain't played by the rules and you were for lot. If I came in with you, girl, I feel on top. I came at crossroads at the Alton Road, where I almost lost my soul. It's 1 AM and I'm still on the go. The tropical rain starts to feel like snow. My foot's off the brake as I step on the gas. Cut you off the lane cause I still want to smoke. And that's the same night that I crashed. Allegedly in front of me living fast. I had your plane off the swerve into a Suburban that's parked on the curb. Yup, the Camaro got smashed. I couldn't say a word. Shit. And I thought that I blew it. Thought my life was ruined. Thought it was going down. Thought I would get nowhere. Thought I'd get nowhere. Thought I'd get nowhere. You hung me up, yeah. I'm on the west side, living my best life, smoking Medicaid. Trying to stay awake, you held me up, yeah. Think about my dad, the one I never had. But don't feel bad for me, that's just the way life was meant to be, yeah. Decide what you like and write out some tunes. Grab a lighter and then blow out the fumes. I light it, recite and rewrite something new, man. Like what you do and fight for the truth. When you walk in inside it just lights up the room. I slide it inside it, Poseidon pussy got me gliding. You brighten my mood. It's time that I move, we grew up too fast. There's no time to lose, I think of the past. Right before I snooze, but I'm so blessed. Like when you watch choose, my life is a mess. Think I'm seeing a ghost. Look in the mirror and I see the growth. I think it's time that I get up and go. Pick up my bags and I go hit the road. I finna be on TV, girl, I know, but I gotta do this shit on my own. People be acting like they fucking me. I see the fakes, y'all a bunch of clones. Yeah, y'all a bunch of clones. Paranoia kicks in when I smoke. Don't wanna speak when no one leave me alone. Please, just leave me alone. As I walk in your building to see what is up. You got me building the building with a wall made of trust. Baby, let's Netflix and build. I wanna help build you up. I pay for the bill when we go out for a grub. Shorty, I'm up for a thrill. As I pull up to your block in the whip. Baby girl, I got love for the kid. I got a lot of love for you. True, yeah, that's a fact. Baby, you are the one. Yeah, got your back. Anytime you feeling down, you could hit my jack. Anytime you feeling down, yeah, hit my jack. I like the way that you vibe, the things you say with your mind, and all the waves in your head, the way you stay when I'm blind. Oh God, your love is so true. Baby, tell me what it do. Here with you, looking at the view, met you back in June. We at a table for two, like your birthday's coming soon. I'm loving the moment, I'm open and really hoping it's you.
I need your love, you are the one. Baby, I know I do the most.
Contemplating my love, heart is aching with us. I'm just waiting for us. Hope one day you come true. Hope one day you come true. It'll be us too, girl. I love you. Up at 2 a.m. trying to see where this goes. I'm the type to pull up on you and your friends and do the most. Baby girl, we cannot pretend I'm not close to breaking you out your skin, showing you how life goes. She a queen's kid for life. You my queen and my wife. Got the ring in the crib. On some G-ish, I might get on one knee and propose. Even with all them clothes, I still see them hips when you pose. FaceTime flexing, harassing your face. I got you laughing out loud, and now you calling me babe. And I'm in love with your passion and ways and actions you take. But if you act up, get great, I'll put you back in your place. Okay, relax, girl, I'm playing no way. So what is you saying? You gon' fight back, misbehave. You get it crackin' today. Hitting 95, shorty on the passenger side. In the back of my mind, I'm glad it's you in this ride. Truthfully, cannot deny the way that I feel inside. Putting all my pride aside, I go for you all the time. Keeping it true, never lie. One in the booth and I rhyme. I'm thinking about you all the time, even when you ain't there. Show you ways that I care. Listen to what you say as I play with your head and the way that you walk and you talk. And I promise I could do this often, would never neglect you and always respect you. Cause
I need your love, you are the one. Baby, I know I do the most.
Contemplating my love, heart is aching with us. I'm just waiting for us. Hope one day you come true. Hope one day you come true. It'll be us too, girl. I love you.
I need your love, you are the one. Baby, I know I do the most.
Contemplating my love, heart is aching with us. I'm just waiting for us. Hope one day you come true. Hope one day you come true. It'll be us too, girl. I love you.
Because some people get married like easily, like in a small chapel, and that they're content with that. And then there's other people who want like fucking crazy ass weddings in a cathedral. I mean, like, all that's nice.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, I'd probably do it for the girl I love, just because something she wants. You know, that's sacrifice in a relationship. You do something you don't always agree with somebody else.
Yeah, I think a lot of people our age right now don't believe in marriage due to the fact that we didn't grow up with it. Like a lot of our parents are divorced. A lot of our dads aren't around. So to us, it's like, oh yeah, single mom, single dad.
Yeah.
But
it's become too much of a norm.
Yeah, it's a normal thing. So people look at it like that. It's sad.
It is. How do you feel about kids?
4. I want 4 kids.
4 kids? I don't know about 4 kids.
Why not? Big happy family, 4 mini-me's.
I don't know. I'm thinking 2. But maybe I could reconsider.